In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flights with ChatGPT 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know how to connect real-time flight tools, ask the right questions, refine results on the fly, and confidently lock in a great deal. First, let's enable live flight searching so you see real prices instead of rough estimates. Open the apps or Explore GPT's section in the sidebar. Search for Skyscanner or Google Flights, then click Connect and authorize the integration. This lets ChatGPT pull current fares directly from those services. You'll know it worked when you see the app's icon or a connected status in your message bar. If you prefer, you can disconnect anytime, but keeping it linked gives you the most accurate, up-to-the-minute options. Next, formulate your travel query in natural language. Be as specific as you can with cities, months, or exact dates, cabin preferences, and layover tolerance. For example, you can say, at Skyscanner, find me the cheapest round-trip flights from Manila to Los Angeles in October 2026. I am flexible with dates but prefer no more than one layover. If you're hunting for a spontaneous escape, try find the cheapest weekend getaway from my city to anywhere in Southeast Asia for under 15,000 pesos next month. Clear constraints help the system eliminate noise and surface real bargains. Now use conversational search to analyze and refine without retyping everything. Ask follow-ups like, what if I leave 2 days earlier? If you care about specific carriers, say, show only flights from Philippine Airlines or Qatar Airways. You can also adjust priorities such as resort these by shortest travel time, even if it costs 10% more. Think of this like a live negotiation with the search engine. Each message fine-tunes the results. If you're not using a live integration, turn ChatGPT into a strategy engine. Ask for alternative airports that budget airlines use near your destination, like secondary airports around London. Explore routing hacks by comparing a multi-city trip, such as Manila to Tokyo to Los Angeles, against two separate one-way tickets. And request historical insights. For example, based on historical data, when is the cheapest time to book flights for a December trip to Japan? These aren't guarantees, but they provide useful context to time your purchase. When you're ready, finalize the booking. ChatGPT will summarize top deals with links like Book Now or View on Skyscanner. Click through to the booking page and always double check the final fare on the airline's official site before paying because prices can change every few minutes. That's it. Combining AI's conversational power with real-time flight data is the fastest way to save on your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you